Herons and egrets are familiar birds to me. But this bird makes it clear that I am very far from home. This is the Black-Necked Stork, affectionately called the Jabiru by Aussie birdwatchers. This bird is up to 4 feet tall with a massive 7-foot wingspan. The male and female look very similar, but the females have striking yellow eyes. It loves to eat fish, but the Jabiru is happy to dine on his fellow water birds, coots, darters, grebes, as well as turtle eggs and hatchling turtles. Its hunting style leans toward perseverance rather than perfection. A model of, if at first you don't succeed, try, try, try again. Just keep stabbing the water over and over and over, and fish. This is a female Australasian Darter. Unexpectedly, her feathers aren't waterproof. She soaks up water, which makes her less buoyant, handy when you have to dive for your dinner. It also makes them ride very low in the water so that only their head and long neck are visible. That profile is why some folks call them snakebirds.